Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Red Alert 2 on your personal computer. This timeless strategy game, originally released over 2 decades ago, still captivates many players. However, getting it to run perfectly on today's operating systems, like Windows 10 or 11, requires a few adjustments. This guide will walk you through acquiring the game, applying essential community fixes, and launching it for both single-player campaigns and exciting online multiplayer battles. Let's get started and bring this classic back to life. The easiest way to get Red Alert 2 today is by purchasing the Command & Conquer Ultimate Collection on Steam. This comprehensive bundle includes not only Red Alert 2, but also its fantastic expansion, Yuri's Revenge. You'll find a total of 17 classic Command & Conquer games in this collection, offering countless hours of strategic fun. Once purchased, simply download and install the game directly from your Steam library, just like any other title. Even after installing from Steam, Red Alert 2 often benefits greatly from community enhancements. The CNCNet client is an essential tool that provides crucial compatibility fixes, allowing the game to run smoothly on modern Windows operating systems. It also enables support for higher resolutions, like 1092 by 1080 pixels, ensuring a crisp visual experience. Furthermore, CNCNet is your gateway to the active online multiplayer community, letting you challenge other commanders. With the CNCNet client installed, you are ready to launch Red Alert 2. For the most stable and feature-rich experience, always start the game through the CNCNet launcher. Once in the game, navigate to the Options menu to adjust your resolution and other graphical settings to your liking. You can then dive into the engaging single-player campaigns, set up custom skirmish matches against the AI, or join the vibrant community for exciting online multiplayer battles. Have fun, Commander!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.